Today, guys, I want to give you a quick reminder about how to check for your library books using Destiny and to show you a brand new feature that we have. Remember, to go into Destiny, you're going to go in through the portal, and then you're going to click to open Destiny, select Congress Middle School, and the catalog button. And then the very first thing you need to do when you get into the catalog is go to the top right-hand corner, and you're going to log in with your normal student number and password. I'd like everybody today to practice logging in and to check to see what books you have checked out. So if you go over here, to the main navigation menu in the top left-hand corner, you can see what books you have checked out, and also when they are due. You can see if you have any books on hold. And if you're ever curious, you can check your history. This will show you the books you've checked out this year. And this is kind of nice because let's say you really liked this book and you want to click on it, you can see if we have other books by the same author, because maybe you can't remember the author's name. Okay, so then you can see if we have other books by the author. The brand new function that I would like to show you is called Collections. And what this is, if you go to the home page and we go all the way to the bottom, we're putting together some different collections and different types of books for you guys to look for. So if you really want a mystery novel, we have put in here a few of the best mystery novels that I think we have in our library. So sometimes you guys will come and ask us for a mystery or a fantasy or a dystopian novel. Well, you can always go onto the catalog and look in here and see the list that we put together. So let's say you want to learn more about this book, you can click on it and it will give you some information about the book. See if you want to, and it will also recommend additional titles if you like this one. So this is a great place to go and look and see if there's books that you're interested in reading. So right now we have one on survival stories, dystopian, mystery, steampunk, novels in verse. These are like the novels that are kind of written in poetry format. Okay. These are really popular in our library and a lot of students ask for these. So you can see all of them that we have available. And then there's some Holocaust books in here, some romance novels. You guys can also create your own favorites collection if you want. I just ask if you do that you keep it private and don't list it for the whole school district to see. So if you just keep the ones private, then you can also look on your own account to see some of like your favorite books, things like that. Okay?